Stress, one of the cause of illness used for human body. People need ways to avoid an illness because illness has many bad consequences that could affect our work, which make a person weak and can't do things well. And stress is one of the causes of having an illness. Once you are stressed, it brings a painful feeling in head because of mental tension. That is why many are avoiding to get stressed, because word itself is already stressful. However, one should stop at the point that stress shouldn't ever exist. Imagine, a pain that disturbs our mind has beneficial to our body and that are based on studies. Short-term stress, contrary to all known facts, saves person from numbness. It relieves and makes person lively and exciting. It also means that it serves energy for solving problems. But be careful. It's important that stress shouldn't often return and it shouldn't last a long time. I therefore conclude that stress does a kind of depression. It has also beneficial effects on our lives. Because of the tension we feel, we become without stress, it will more
हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था